Please check your audio and video settings, please. Yeah. Advanced Java 114 JDBC 11 a.m. Today we will take up one more miscellaneous discussion. Then I will talk JDBC drivers. Metadata. Today's date is what year? December 18th. Date is what? December 18th. Okay, guys. Metadata in JDBC programming. Sir, CSV means comma separated file. Mr. Musiddiq, you have to work with comma separated values. Try with comma separated values, definitely success will come. Try. One or other area you are doing mistake. When you get the error, don't panic. Read the query, error number, error condition, error statements. In the error message itself, solution will be there. Okay, what do you mean by metadata, guys? Data about data. What do you mean by metadata? Data about data. Already information is there. I want to gather more information. That is called metadata. Data about data is called metadata. That means it is gathering more info about existing info or passing more info about current info. More info about current info. Either giving or passing, boss. But it's overall data about data. Listen, you liked car when you are walking on the road. Car name, you got it. So by going to net, you will spend more time to gather more information about that car or not. Yes or no? No? That is gathering more information about existing info. Fine. You liked one film star or model. You will try to do more research in the internet to know more about that person or not. Yes. Come on, guys. Are you with me? Similarly, similarly, okay. You have written one calculated figure, but clarity is not there. You will write explanation behind that figure or not. You will write explanation behind that figure, that calculation. This is this kind of. That is also metadata, guys. Before writing big logics in Java code, you are writing comments. That is also metadata, guys. It's all about gathering more information about existing information or passing more information about existing information. That is metadata is all about. Either gathering more information or passing more information. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear in your brain? Either it is gathering more info or passing more info. So that is metadata, guys. Data about data is called metadata. Metadata in JDBC programming. What's the next thing to focus on, guys? Right. JDBC supports three modes of metadata programming. A, database metadata. B, result set metadata. C, parameter metadata. Most of the drivers not providing, most of the JDBC drivers are not providing info about this. Most of the JDBC drivers are not providing info about this, information about this. Right. Okay. Shall we concentrate, guys? Yes. What is database metadata, guys? This is created based on JDBC connection object. This is created based on JDBC connection object. Come on, guys. Gathering limitations and capabilities of underlying database software. Limitations and capabilities of what, guys? Limitations and capabilities of underlying database software. What underlying database software can do, cannot do. Every information we can gather with the support of database metadata concepts, guys. Convinced with me or not? For example, how many maximum letters are allowed in the table name? How many characters are allowed maximum in the query? How many characters can be there maximum in the username? That kind of information will be there. That kind of info will be there in database metadata, guys. Everyone got the clarity, guys? Come on. This is created based on JDBC connection object, gathering limitations and capabilities of underlying database software. What database software here? Limitations and capabilities of underlying database software. Super cool. Next. Okay. Sir, database metadata object means it is the object of JDBC driver supplied Java class that implements java.sql.database metadata interface. What interface here? Database metadata interface. Fine, was. Next. Where it is useful, sir? Where it is useful? In which situation it will be used? Yeah, it is useful while creating GUI database tools, guys. Are a SQL developer? Yeah, they are also softwares, boss. That means they are also developed by using one or other concept, right? Okay, they are useful while creating GUI database tools like SQL Developer, MySQL Workbench, and etc. It is very, very useful in that aspect, guys. It literally, solidly, very useful in that particular aspect. I hope you understood my point, guys. Come on, guys. Are you with me? It's very useful in the development of SQL Developer, MySQL Workbench, and etc. Everyone got the clarity, guys? Come on. To create database metadata object. Yes, guys. Database metadata DBMD is equal to con dot get metadata of. DBMD is equal to con dot get metadata of. Con dot get metadata of. This is the direct method, guys, that gives me this. And on this object, we can call various methods to know more about underlying database software. What are those methods, sir? Let's see. Database metadata docs. Database metadata docs, guys. I'm giving documentation related to this, guys. See, so many constants are there, but look at the methods here. Full of methods. Nearly you can see 100 plus methods. Not one, two, guys. Nearly 100 plus methods are there. Everything is there to gather information about one or other thing. For example, get maximum connections. How many connections it allow at a time? Get maximum columns in table. One column can have how many tables maximum? Sorry, one table can have how many columns maximum? Get maximum columns in select. In one select query, how many columns can be there? Get max row size. In one row, maximum of how many bytes of data can be there? Okay, at a time, how many queries can be executed? SQL statement. In one query, in one query, how many characters can be there? Schema name length. Schema means username, boss. Username. In one username, how many characters can be there? Give me all numeric functions. Okay. Give me all schema names. Give me all SQL keywords. So many methods are there. So many methods are there. So many methods are there. We can call nearly 100 plus methods on DBMD object to know more about underlying database software. To simply know more about underlying database software. That's it, guys. To simply know more about underlying database software being from Java application. Being from Java. Okay, let me clear one thing. JDBC metadata programming is not given to perform code operations. It is given to know more about database and database tables being from Java application. Yes, boss. That's why don't expect any code operations in what? JDBC metadata programming. Those are over. Already we have been doing that work. So JDBC metadata programming is not meant for performing code operations on database software. Is not meant for performing code operations on database software. Yes, it is given to perform it is given to gather more info about underlying database software, its tables, its DB tables, and also to know, also to get info about, to get info about query parameters. Also to get info about query parameters. Everyone understood my point there? This is my database metadata. Fine. Array, how easy it is, right? Listen, you open SQL developer, you open SQL developer, see this. Right now, only one schema is there. When I select tables, all tables are coming. When I select table, all table information is coming. So somewhere internally, someone is there talking to database, gathering all these details or not. Okay, this kind of GUI development, GUI tools development, GUI data tools development internally uses what? Definitely internally uses what? What is this? What is this? Metadata concepts only, especially database metadata concepts. Okay, today, let's see. We'll try to get some metadata concepts, database limitations and capabilities, what database can do, what database cannot do. Maybe while working with Oracle also you never concentrated how many maximum characters in the table name, how many maximum characters in the select query, how many maximum characters in any query, okay, how many maximum characters in the username. So you never concentrated, but being from JDBC application, we can gather that and we can use them in the construction of GUI table. That's why observe while creating table in SQL developer, if you try to type more than 30 characters, it will give error saying that, hey boss, already you crossed what? 30 characters. Understanding my statement, guys. Database metadata test. What test, guys? Database metadata test. This is my class name. This is my main method. This is my class name. This is my main method. Okay. Let's see. Try. Loading driver class is nowadays optional and we are working with the try with a resource. You know that, right? Connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection. JDBC colon Aracle colon thin colon @localhost colon 1521 colon XE. What is the username? System. What is the password? Manager. Control plus shift plus O. Connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection. Catch. SQL exception SC. SC dot print stack trace. Fine. Try. Database metadata. Database metadata. Make sure that java.sql1 is taken. DBMD is equal to con.get metadata. Okay, first of all, let me confirm whether it is auto closable object or not. Sorry guys, this is not auto closable object. So there is no, we cannot create like this. Okay, we can, there's no need of closing. It's a normal object. Fine. So then what should I do? So if, yeah, since it is not auto closable, if dbmd is equal to this, dbmd is equal to con dot get metadata. Yes. Database metadata copy is equal to this null. Okay. dbmd is equal to con dot get metadata of con dot get metadata of. Okay, fine, guys. I created database metadata object. Okay, let's see what we can gather about entire database software. Sysout database name, database software name. So we have a direct methods, guys. dbmd dot get get product, get database product name, get product name, database software version, database software version. Yes, dbmd dot get product version, get product version. Come on, guys. dbmd dot get product version. Super, guys. Next, jdbc driver, jdbc driver name, dbmd dot get jdbc, get jdbc, just get driver name, driver name, get driver version. Okay, driver version. Yes, dbmd dot okay, which according to which version of jdbc it is developed. Okay, see boss, there are three versions: database version, jdbc version, driver version. Please, jdbc major version, jdbc versions, jdbc api version kind of thing. jdbc major version dot dbmd dot jdbc minor version, jdbc minor version. Okay guys, next, sysout, sysout, maximum connections, max db connection, how many maximum connection it allows, dbmd dot get max connections. Oh, this database software allows max of max how many connections to database software. Next, okay, max db connections. After that, what next? Max row, max row size. In one row, how many bytes of data it can have? Get max row size. Okay. Next one, tell me. Max row size. Max row size. Next one. Next one is guy. What guy? Max row size. database software name, database software version, driver name, driver version, guys. This is version, guys. Yeah, this dot is not for only for display purpose, guys. Max table name, max table name length, dbmd dot get max table name length. Okay, max columns in DB table. dbmd dot get max columns in DB, max column in DB table. Okay. Next, max columns in select query. dbmd dot, yeah, max columns in select, max column length, max column length, dbmd dot get max column name length, get max column name length. Everyone getting my point there, guys? Come on. Max column name length. Then all SQL keywords. I would like to get all SQL keywords. dbmd dot get SQL keywords. All numeric keywords. dbmd dot get numeric key functions. Okay, I want to get all system functions. All system functions. dbmd dot get the system functions. Right? Supports stored procedures. Supports stored procedure. dbmd dot. We have method called supports stored procedure. What is that, guys? Supports stored procedures. So definitely it will think about supporting stored procedures, guys. Right, guys? Supports stored procedure. Yes, whether it supports stored procedures or not. Right. dbmd dot see. Okay, see, supports batch updations or not. Yes, that means at a time sending multiple queries. At a time sending multiple queries. Next discussion is that only batch processing only. Yes, guys. So all these things we are doing after getting database metadata object when if dbmd not equal to null. If dbmd not equal to null, yes, we are doing all this stuff. Yes, guys. End of the if condition. End of the try one. Okay, only we have only one try with resource. That's fine. Catch block. Okay. End of the main method, end of the class. Yes. Database metadata test. Yeah, its information will change based on the database software we use, guys. Right. Oracle. Yeah, name. Let me keep this one and this one side by side. Name Oracle. Version this. JDBC driver name this. JDBC driver name. Oracle JDBC driver. Version 11.2. JDBC API version 11.2. Actually giving wrong. Maximum DB connection. This driver is not able to get this figure. If any method returns 0 or 0.0 or null, then assume that the current driver is not capable of gathering that information. Get max row size. Sorry, current driver is not capable of that gathering that. Max table name length 30 characters. Max columns in DB table, 1,000 columns can be there in the table, boss. Max columns in select query, it is not able to know. Max column name length 30 character. All SQL keywords, all numeric functions, all system functions. Supports stored procedure, true. Supports batch processing. This is batch updation. Yes, we are able to gather information or not. If any method called on metadata, JDBC metadata objects is returning 0 or 0.0 or null, that is not a real output. That indicates current method. That indicates current methods are not capable of gathering information. Current methods are not capable of gathering information. Okay, you don't memorize, guys. Don't memorize. As need is there, styles. Get them and use them. Am I memorizing? No. Based on the need, you have to collect it. Suppose when I launch GUI tool, all tables should come. Yes, we have a get tables method is there. Get tables method is there. So like this, based on the need, you have to collect the things. That's it. Database metadata test, guys. Database metadata test.java. Yes, here is my database metadata test. Note. What is there, guys? Note. What is the note, guys? Note. The note is very simple and straightforward, guys. The note is very simple and straightforward. If any method called on, okay, method called on JDBC metadata objects are giving 0 or 0.0 or null. That means methods are not capable of giving. 1 minute. That means the current JDBC driver. That means the underlying JDBC driver software is not capable of giving info about database software or DB tables. About database software or DB tables. Everyone understood my point, guys? Come on, are you with me? Are you capable of my statements, understanding my statements here or not? Okay. What is metadata test, guys? This is my database metadata test. Driver manager dot get connection. Okay. Username, here is my password. Is that clear? GB tools like SQL Developer, MySQL Workbench, all these things are indirectly required there. Yeah, some drivers can gather some information, some drivers cannot gather some information, boss. Okay, next what? Result set metadata. What's the next one, guys? Result set metadata. Created based on JDBC result set object. Created based on JDBC result set object. Created based on JDBC result set object. Come on. To know more about DB table that is represented by to know more about DB table that is represented by result set object that is represented by result set object. Fine, guys. Okay. Useful to know more about column names, column count, column data types, and etc. info about the DB table. Etc. info about the DB table. Okay. Etc. Result set metadata object means it is the object of, come on guys, it is the object of underlying JDBC driver software supplied Java class. Underlying JDBC driver software supplied Java class that implements java.sql.result set metadata interface. What interface, guys? Underlying JDBC driver software supplied Java class that implements java.sql.result set metadata interface. Result set metadata interface. Is that clear, guys? Come on. Result set metadata object means it is the object of underlying JDBC driver software supplied Java class that implements, what here? That implements java.sql.result set metadata interface. Everyone understood my point, guys? Come on. Fine. Use cases. Use cases. See, to get all the table database metadata, guys, in GUI tool, but to get column names and column data types, this kind of information, result set metadata is required. So that means still it is required uh, to create GUI DB tool. To create GUI DB tool. Next. This is very useful to create what? GUI DB tool. Next, also useful where, guys? Report generation. While generating report, you will display with column names or without column names. It is very useful in report generation also, guys. It's literally solidly useful in report generation. Comfortable with me, guys? Come on. To create GUI DB tool, it is useful. In report generation, it is useful. While displaying sales report, you will display only column values or column names also. Column names. So in report generation process, it is very useful. Okay. To create result set metadata object. First create result set object, guys. Result set rs is equal to st.execute query. Select star from student. Select star from student. Result set rs is equal to st.execute query. Select star from student. Fine, guys. Next, result set metadata. RSMD is equal to rs.get metadata. Result set metadata RSMD is equal to rs.get metadata. Yes, here we are going to get result set metadata object, guys. Result set metadata object. Okay. Let me introduce various methods that I can invoke on this. Result set metadata docs. Lot of methods are there, guys. Online help you can get. These are the methods that we can invoke on result set metadata. Check it out. Get catalog name. Get the designation columns table catalog name. Catalog means table name will come. Column class name. No, it's not going to. Column count. Returns fully qualified name of the Java class whose instances are manufactured if method get object. While working with the cursors, guys, while working with the cursors, okay, special class names will be there to hold column values. Leave it. Column count, column display size, how many bytes are required to display column name, column label, column name, column data type. Actually, this type will give integer value. No, I want as a string. Column data type as a string. Column type name. Get the precision. Get the designation column, specified column size. For numeric data, this is maximum precision. For character data, this is length of character. For numeric data, this is maximum precision. Precision. Okay. Now you go to in net only. In the net, scale and precision of decimal. Scale and precision of decimal. Precision is the number of digits in a number. Scale is the number of digits right after decimal point of a number. For example, 123.45. Precision is what? Precision is what? 5. Total digits. Come on. Scale is 2. Scale is 2. Only this one. Count only. It speaks about count, not the words. It speaks about count. Total digits, precision. Okay, after decimal point, scale. Generally in childhood we study wrong. In the childhood we study wrong. How, what is that? Scale means 123. Come on, precision means 45. No, 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 no. You have to take whole count. I don't know what you studied, but in my school they taught me wrong. In my school they taught me wrong. After learning JDBC, I realized oh they taught me wrong. What about you people? In your school they taught right or wrong? Same means correct answer they have given. They taught right. Maybe you are having qualified teachers. Mine. Okay, fine, no problem. Right. Result set metadata RSMD is equal to rs dot get metadata of. This is to create result set metadata object. So I will try to put some methods. Pankaj say not even this taught this concept. You might have not attended school properly. Without this childhood mathematics will not complete our worst fellow. Fine guys. Right. We can invoke. Okay, invoke 30, 20 plus methods on RSMD object to know more about, okay, more about DB table and its columns represented by DB table and its columns represented by JDBC result set object. JDBC result set object. Fine, guys. It's very popular for report generation, mainly that. So I will present in both angles, gathering more info about result set. And first I will concentrate on displaying column names and report generation. Yes. Right click, class, result set metadata test 1, because test 2 is printing every information what we can. Yes, for that one we need a result set object, don't forget that. Try connection con is equal to driver manager dot get connection JDBC colon array kill colon thin colon local host colon 1521 colon XE. What is the username system? What is the password manager? Control plus shift plus O. Control plus shift plus O. Driver manager dot get connection. Okay, here I will write catch. SQL exception SC dot print stack trace catch. Okay, fine. No driver loading now, guys. Come on. Exception E dot print stack trace. Fine, guys. Okay. If con not equal to null, again try. Prepared statement PS is equal to con dot prepare statement of query. Select underscore student underscore query. Still not ready. I have to keep it ready. Try one like this. Control plus shift plus O. Here is my private static final string. Select underscore student underscore query. Select SNO, SName, SADD average from student. Select SNO, SName, SADD average from student. Average from student. Okay. Try. Result set RS is equal to st dot execute query open floor bracket. Control plus shift plus O. Fine, guys. But I want to do this only when if R PS not equal to null. If PS not equal to null, then I want to. If PS not equal to null, select underscore student underscore query. Cool, guys. Tell me next one. If RS not equal to null, what is that, guys? If RS not equal to null, okay, then I want to create result set metadata, guys. Result set metadata. Am I going to use outside? No, no going. Okay, fine, no problem. Result set metadata RSMD is equal to rs dot get metadata of rs dot get metadata of java dot sql dot. Okay, fine. Fine, guys. Now I want to check whether this object is created or not. So for that purpose, RSMD is equal to null. RSMD is equal to RSMD. Okay, guys. Tell me here. If RSMD not equal to null, if RSMD is not equal to null, everyone understood my point there. I created result set metadata object. End of the if condition. End of the if condition. Yes, if RSMD not equal to null, guys, result set metadata object is created. That's cool. Result set metadata object is created. That's cool. If RSMD not equal to null, guys, if RSMD not equal to null, after that, what next, guys? Speak out. I want to print first column count, get column count, because I want to display a report here along with the column names and column values. Get column count. Yes. Tell me here. Int call count is equal to RSMD dot get column count. Yes, I got the column count. Cool. Next. Next, what I want to do? I want to display column names. Display column names. Yes. Here also one based index, guys. I is equal to 1. I less than column count, less than or equal to column count, semicolon plus plus I. Semicolon plus plus I. For int I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to column count plus plus I. Here is what? Yes, we have a methods, guys. We have a straight away methods. PW, okay, not PW dot, system dot out dot print. print because loop is repeating na. RSMD dot, look at the get column label name, get column name, okay, column label gets a designated column suggested title for use in printouts. Column name, just column name, that means it will give lengthy one, this will give very lengthy one. Okay. Of I, then some space, it will print column name. Okay, after that I want to have a new line will be printed. Now I want to display column values, display column values. See, am I giving each column name, or I'm printing all column names dynamically? I'm printing all column names dynamically. Understanding my point? Yes. While rs dot next, while rs dot next, is that clear, guys? While rs dot next, while rs dot next, is that clear, guys? Are you comfortable with me or not? Okay, now I want to display. Actually, I should write SOP one by one. Why? We already got column count na. Like how I am printing column names through loop, I can print column values also through loop na, guys. Right, let's see now. For into I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to column count, semicolon plus plus I. Semicolon plus plus I. Tell me. System dot out dot println rs dot get string of I. See, any column value I can print as a string value. You know that. Array, this is to print column values. While rs dot next, first record is having what? 4 columns will be displayed. Any column value you can get as a string value by calling get string method. Okay. That's it, guys. Next one is what? Sysout system dot out dot println new line, guys. Here also I want to display the new line. Right. First see the output, then I will explain the code. Oh, extra flower brackets, huh? No. Somewhere something is not closed, guys. Maybe RS is not closed. Huh? RS related try is not closed. Yes, try 3. RS related try is not closed. Okay, guys. Run as Java application. Oh, no new lines are coming. Why so? Why so? Column names printed nicely. Actually, that new line should come at the end of each for loop. Here is the right place. This is end of for, guys. This is end of while. Got it or not, guys? Maybe here I have to give more spaces. Yes, more space is given. Yes. So what is important? Column names have come. Column names have come. Now I want to display along with the data types. Display column data types. Column data types. Display column data types. Okay, fine. System dot out dot println rsmd dot get column label, column type name of I. Column type name of I. Column type name of I. That's it, guys. Click on it. SNO number, SNAME varchar to SADD varchar to average number. End of the story. End of the story. Everyone clear on this point, guys? Come on. Are you with me? Are you understanding my statement here? Everyone clear on this statement, guys? Column names here, column data types here, and I'm displaying column values. I'm seriously, literally displaying what values here? Column values here. Is that clear, guys? Okay, how does it work, sir? Let's see how does it works. Okay, first let me paste this code, then you will get idea. Copy this. Result set metadata test.java. Result set metadata test.java. Have a look on this code. Let us assume here we have a result set object. Result set object. Here is my BFR, before first record. Here is my ALR, after last record. Here is my RS. This is my result set object. 101 Raja Hyderabad 90.77. 102 Ravi Hyderabad 91.1. 103 Suresh Vizag 92.67. Yes, we are ready with BFR and ALR objects, guys. Let's see now. If RS not equal to null, RSMD is equal to RS dot get metadata. Here you will get metadata object. Finally, wait. Into column count is equal to RSMD dot get column count. So you will get column count of 4. Fine. For int I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to column count plus I. SOP RS dot RSMD dot get column label of I. RSMD dot get column label of I. Come on, guys. RSMD dot get column. I value 1. RSMD dot get column label of I. SNO space. RSMD dot get column label of I. Yes name. RSMD dot get column label of I. SADD. RSMD dot column average. Then one new line, guys. Here new line will come. Okay. RSMD dot again get column type name. Data type will be printed, guys. Okay. Number I plus plus varchar 2 I plus plus varchar 2. Next float. Next, while rs dot next, cursor comes to first record of the cursor. Again for loop. I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to column count plus I. Right. SOP rs dot get string of I 101. I plus plus get string of I Raja. I plus plus get string of I Hyderabad. I plus plus 90.77. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. I plus plus. Yes, we are having record, guys. While rs dot next, cursor comes to next record, guys. Cursor comes to next record. Tell me. 102. Tell me next one. SOP RS dot get string of I. Ravi. Next, Hyderabad. Next, 91.77. Like this, all the records will be displayed along with the column names or not. Okay, next, third record also will be displayed, guys. Next, okay, while RS dot next, cursor comes out of the loop. By that time, we are displaying column names and column values or not. Earlier, we used to give fixed indexes. This time, we are giving through loop dynamic indexes. How we are able to give a column count, we have a control, na? That's why we are able to give that. Everyone understood this point, guys? Come on. Everyone clear on this point? No, sir. I want to know more other information about what? Result set related table. Okay. Now I will say save as to result set metadata to. This time I don't want to print report. I want to print more information about columns, guys. Right. Here we are having all this stuff now. Don't display column values, nothing. Okay, boss. System.out.println. System.out.println. It will print about 4 columns, boss. Very lengthy information we'll get. Okay. Column name. rsmd dot get column name of column name or column label, your choice. Label gives more elaborated name. Yes. Next. Column type. rsmd dot get column type name. Column type name of I. That's it. Next. Column. Okay, what is the next one? rsmd dot. Okay. Get scale area, get precision area. Get scale of I. Scale of I. Get precision of I. Okay, column scale. Column precision. Here is my get precision of I. Next one, sys out. Sys out. I can use println, not a problem. Println, 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 println. Next one, column name, column type, column scale, column precision. Column is writable. It allows write operations or not. rsmd dot rsmd dot. Okay. Is nullable, is read only, is writable, of I. It allows write operations or not. Is it read only? Column is read only. Column is writable, question mark. Column is read only. rsmd dot is read only of I. Is read only of I. Next, column is column is signed. Signed means it allows both negative and positive values. Column is signed. rsmd dot is signed of I. Column is unsigned. Unsigned. I think unsigned is not there. Column is nullable. Column allows null values are not nullable. Or I like this, lot of methods are there. Okay. One column is over now. I will just print one line. Sysout dot dot dot. End of the for loop. End of the main method. End of the class. Fine, guys. Right click, run on Java application. See this? Column name SNO, column type number, scale. Scale. What is this? 0. SNO is a number. No precisions are allowed. Come on, guys. No column precision is 5. Column precision is 5. Okay. Just now I have explained what is this. Precision is 5 altogether. Altogether. Total 5 digits it allows. Scale is 2. Array SNO does not allow any decimal points here. That's why. Maybe while creating table, I have taken 5 as the column size. Let me check. Tables, student. Look at 5 comma 0. 5 comma 0. Remember that? Yes. Column is writable, yes. Column is read only, no, we can. Array writable true means read only should be. Column is signed, allows negative, also. Is nullable, 0. That means does not. Does not. Nullable 0 means yes. It does not allow null values. Does not allow null value. 0 means yes. 1 means allows. 1 means because PK na SNY is PK. Primary key allows null values are no. Yes name scale integer na not there. For integer not there. Okay, true. SADD same thing. Now tell me here. Average number scale is 127. Precision is 126. Array by default, guys, nothing is there. Those many decimal point, those many scales are allowed. Fine. Nullable 1. Nullable 1 means yes, it allows to perform null values. So being from JDBC application, we can gather entire information about underlying database table or not. What do you say, guys? Possible or not possible? Definitely possible. Okay. So it is not there to perform regular insert, update, delete operation. It is there to perform result set metadata test1.java. Result set metadata test1.java. Cool, guys. Here is my paste. Tell me, guys, my theory and practicals are matching or not matching? My theory and practicals are matching or not matching? Please respond. Yes. One is to get the report style data. Other one is to know more about column being from the current application. Yeah, still what is left? Parameter metadata is left that I am going to take up in tomorrow's class. Everyone comfortable, guys? Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Are you with me? Everyone comfortable or not? Yes. Okay. I'll commit the code to the Git. I'll commit the code to the Git. Commit it. Yes, modification is done. Edition is done. Metadata concepts, guys. Safe push. Thank you, guys. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day.